Every single day we get the big updates regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and to be honest, based on leaks and rumors, Samsung has improved a lot compared to the last year S22 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now guys, as you all know that Galaxy S23 Ultra will be coming with a 200 megapixel camera sensor, and we even know the sensor which is going to be the ISOCELL HP2 built only for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But here is the catch, before we only know what is coming and those updates were now confirmed. Now, according to Ice Universe, the S23 Ultra is going to come with a new portrait video mode, and this new portrait video mode is capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, which is insane. And it's a big jump from 1080p to 4K from the last year Galaxy S22 Ultra. Things did not stop here, as S23 Ultra is going to offer an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, which no other phone is offering. Even the S22 Ultra offers 8K video recording at 24 frames per second. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you like the portrait video mode on the S23 Ultra? One important thing to mention here is that this new portrait video is even better than what Apple is offering in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The separation between background is better. Do you guys know that the Ice Universe has shared the original camera sample of the S23 Ultra? Well, this image was taken on the S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera sensor, and it is not a 5x or 10x. This was zoomed at 12x on 200 megapixel camera, which is insane, as the image quality is really good with the natural color processing, and Samsung changed the way they process the image, because from last couple of years they overexposed the images and even sometimes over sharpened. But this is not the case with the S23 Ultra 200 megapixel sensor. The pricing of the S23 series will be different in different countries, as we get 3 country pricing: South Korea, Australia, and even the US pricing is out, where South Korea and Australia will be getting a big price jump, whereas the US we are going to see the same pricing just like the last year S22 Ultra, which is a good thing and a bad thing obviously, because other countries they will surely see a price jump. Samsung started reservation, and now even the new pre-order deals are out, where we are going to get the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 or in some region Watch 5 Pro along with the S23 series. Plus you have the memory upgrade with the same price. If you guys want to see the official pricing of the S23 Ultra, here is the video. Make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next time. Peace.